tighten's nailed down. Break it. Crack it with the broken bit. Break it with the broken bit, right in the middle. Yeah. That should bend it easier. And that nail's nailed on. I try to kick, no, that one that your hand is on, I try to kick up, no.
Oh, right, aye.
I try to kick up, that's going a bit further. Where's where you find it, they're not the same, is it?
I know.
Love that.
Boom.
Thought it was.
I've had to do quite a few repairs on this roof for this customer. Also we're doing this one up here and this here. And I know what you're going to say, you broke that. No, I didn't. If it was a fresh break, that would all be clean. It's not. These things happen. They happen all the time. Anybody with these kind of roofs will know. We use some CT1 and we glue it back on. Why don't you just replace the tile? So this is cosmetic. That's all it is, cosmetic. There would be no improvement made by replacing the tile. Plus CT1 sticks forever. This stuff lasts ages. So you see how there's growth here? If this was a fresh break, there'd be no growth there. Can you even tell which one are fixed? That one. Thanks, mate. I'll give you just the one to take down. Oh. Sorted.